Let them go and bring. They will not go.
Everyone is saying you people go and bring.
How those they cannot represent it?
No, ask them to come down. Ask them to come down.
ठीक है, काम कर रहे हैं ना तो सुन लो. अब जाके बोलो तो अभी इस बात पे एग्रीमेंट होगा क्या?
चले जाओ यार. आराम से भाई आराम से.
कैसे यू आके बोल रहे हैं वो स्टूडेंट नहीं है.
ठीक है यार.
मेरा डिपार्टमेंट में
अरे मेल करो सबको.
और आके बोल रहे हैं स्टूडेंट हाउस कनेक्शन आया ऑलरेडी हो गया सब.
So, regarding the Students' Council, the first day when, like, I think he pointed out that the fee hike happened, we called the meeting the next day. All the Student Council members came. We demanded them that day itself, they told us that they were not informed of the decision. So we said, okay, fine. So it is like, already your authority as our representatives. You should be like angry that they are not respecting you guys. So we told them, first thing, that day itself sent a mail to the entire students telling fee hike has happened and we were not informed of it. They didn't send that mail. They sent that mail after 4 days.
Yes.
So by that time it was like again too late. Only after we started our signature campaign, they gave a letter telling that yeah, fee hike happened.
भैया हम लोग को भी वीडियो दे देना बाद में.
भाई वो आज तक पे भी
अरे कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट. कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट.
Please.
Yeah. So that happened. Then after that there was no communication. Like when we started our protest, we started forming the WhatsApp group. Like we added started collecting the points.
Shiru Cafe meeting. First meeting.
सीरू कैफे में.
There was a meeting. So there was a meeting happened between the student representative called the meeting with a student, which happened near Shiru Cafe.
Wait. That meeting, there was no official mail to the students.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
not a mail sent
Yeah.
to the entire student community. They just put a message in a WhatsApp group. That's not official
So,
message.
anyway. So what I just 1 minute in that meeting, we very clearly told them what we want. We want the documents of the spending, how they are spending money. So they have not even got that documents. Okay, everything. So we asked them to have an open house with a director or dean, I say. They have not even did that. They have not even demanded that.
This is 10 days before.
Okay, and now they are saying they are here for-
Questionnaire and all this.
Yeah.
What already we did all
Yes.
this.
So we have communicated, we have very clearly communicated student representative what we want from them. Not a single thing they have done it. Not a basic thing like how they are spending money. The documents of those.
Bro, the council here in IIT is just a decoy for the administrative.
No, that's okay.
I was a part
Yes.
of the
No,
council.
I tell you. I was a told. I was a fortunate student who got.
बोला भाई बोला.
Just 1 minute. Last 1 minute. In 2017, same thing happened. Then council member said there was a fees hike of 5,000. He said my pant comes more than that. Why should I concern about it? So he had said that. So it's a history is also there, but students fought with it. Student went as a representative along with the student representative.
We said for hunger strike also.
Also, so this time also we need to figure it out because student representatives are there. I agree with it, but we need to make them work for us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you noticed that? When
So
they-
that thing we
They
need
were telling
to
you.
meet sometime, figure it out how to proceed it. Also, it's not going to solve today at all.
Yeah.
We just wanted to submit our petition. They are doing so much drama.
Yes.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is like
So just imagine if we are doing a real protest, or imagine we are demanding something. We are just submitting a formal petition by saying that these many students wanted fee hike to be rolled back.
Shame.
Okay, the basic communication they don't want us to be doing. Okay, they are just fully cutting off. They exist because of us.
Exactly.
Okay. We need to demand our rights. We are demanding very fairly. We are not demanding something very abrupt or something. We are asking them, show us the document how you are spending money. This person has told us today. My friend told us how hostel fund spends. We pay 1,500 rupees for one glass water.
And that is also bought from
for a-
amenities. Never
for a twice in a year, 1,500 rupees we
50
pay
rupees mess plate
for a
serving.
mess plate, one glass, one water, and that whatever the instrument they buy. 1,500 rupees from every single student,
every
500
semester.
each hostel.
and each semester. Okay.
But
Which means 3,000 rupees we are paying just for buying a plate.
Utensils.
Because I don't see, no, utensils are again there from amenities.
Oh.
But
So-
we are in hostel.
So what we are demanding is how they are spending money. We want those
Explanation.
transactions very clearly.
That is
put
secondary.
forward.
First, the fee hike and
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we need to raise this question with a fee hike also. Another question we need to raise is why is that all IITs PhD students get HRA? Why is that IIT Bombay student don't get HRA? But again in IIT Bombay student, they give to married couples PhD scholars HRA. They don't give us to other people. Why is this discrimination exist in
IIT
IIT?
Bombay UGC students do get HRA.
No. UGC students get, but TA student also. For example,
IIT.
all TA students in IIT Madras or other IITs, they get HR.
What's saying outside?
But UGC students get from the government.
Yeah, no.
government is funding the IIT, right?
They get directly from government.
No. HRA.
Who is taking the
See, government is not funding. UGC is government, MSRT is government.
I will tell you one more very interesting thing. Okay, I had filed an RTI about a cow shed, Goshala. You know how much they are spending on a Goshala? They are spending 36 lakh per year on a Goshala. Shame. Okay, listen this carefully. Nobody demanded Goshala in campus. Huh? No. There are Goshalas in Bombay, Devnar. If you are so concerned, why don't you send it there?
Yeah. And now we are being shifted for double occupancy.
Yeah.
Yes. We don't have
Point there, point there.
So we need to very small submission is we need to meet again. We need to meet again and figure it out how do we proceed ahead because this is not going to end here. Because last fee hike went for fee hike protest went for 2 months. We need to this time I'm sure we need to even go more than that. We need to prepare ourselves. We need to be unite together and also figure it out how should we represent, how should we process, what kinds of protests we should do it. So all these things we need to figure it out. Please come together even after this whenever we are informed to come together or call for a meeting and tell what you think of and how do we proceed. Not a single person should, it's not an every person is affected, every person should say what they should, how we should proceed the protest. Thank you.
So another thing that happened yesterday, a lot of first year admissions, MTech, called me telling that, so they have the most highest fee hike. Their tuition fee went from 2,500 to 25,000. Yeah. new admission, PhD, MTech fee hike is from 2,500 to 25,000.
10.
And they might not get hostels. Yeah. That is another issue.
One suggestion can you do again one RTI for the how many IOE funds they Institute of Eminence?
300 700 crore.
It came.
Yeah, it's there in their report, yearly report,
For
annual
coming
report.
next week. They have signed it. Some of them have signed it.
1,000 crore was
So like,
promised.
it's not just us that it's affecting, it's the people who are coming later too.
And they know that they cannot do anything about it. That's
Exactly
why
right now. So
they
they said that they will join us once they reach the campus by next week. So we can have a very large sustained protest because like there is a larger section outside who are coming who are much worse affected.
And they do not have a voice.
Right now they don't have a voice.
They are given to the institution. They don't know. When it administrative fees, then Shakha is divided. She is not represented. No, but Pranav, we have to be very clear with that. The student representative who are Council of IIT Bombay, the student representative of the student fee hike, right? These two representatives they have to divide. We have different representatives. You are representative of IIT Bombay and you are just a mediator. But we are sending our representative. Right?
Every time council intervenes, our momentum is gone. They are doing just that.
Yeah. We have to fight them instead of like fighting the institution.
And yeah, this is so bad. Krishna was coming and telling you, as if he is not a student. He would have told we, he's telling you.
Exactly.
And the fact is that he's not even correct. Yeah, why do you not why he is protecting even Vishal? He's not the same. Why is there still here?
He is the old. Who is the old?
Nobody.
It's previous.
Yes, she is now. Krishna,
No one remembers.
Do not listen to him.
Just do not pay any attention to him. We just tell him, can you sit down and let each other talk all the time. She had no clarity about what she's going to say. Krishna, he's going to.
Why can't we go and some
That is what we are saying. We will not know an English student.
We can make a Telegram group now. टेलीग्राम में एक चैनल बना सकते हैं, उसमें 1000 से ज़्यादा लोग आ सकते हैं,
लाखों लोग आ सकते, पूरे पैन इंडिया आ सकते हैं।
क्योंकि टेलीग्राम के ग्रुप में शायद तक 200 मेंबर या 500 मेंबर ही होते हैं, बट
500
स्टूडेंट तो ज़्यादा होते
Facebook
हैं।
and Telegram
टेलीग्राम का
can spread
चैनल
across
क्रिएट
all the
करके
IIT.
उसका लिंक लोगों को कहीं भी ऐसे नॉर्मल फॉरवर्ड हो
फेसबुक पे
जाएगा।
कहीं पे भी या वी कैन शेयर।
टेलीग्राम लोगों के पास है और उसमें चैनल में मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स उसके लिए चैनल
he handles the WhatsApp group. I'll tell him also. You can answer. Black check.
अरे that's what I was saying.
अंदर हम साड़ी जाएंगे बट बाहर से काय काय सांगायला
Bro,
टेस्टिंग आधी करायला लावलं
अरे भाई भाई मुझे अंदर अरे डीडी का क्या कौन है? We just wanted to submit the letter. We have collected some signatures against this fee hike.
We feel that the hike is a very unjustified. There are the components which are being hiked, like exam fees, or
Benevolent gym
exams, we all have PhDs. We don't need to give any exam.
अरे बैठो ना यार बैठो सिट 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 एवरीबॉडी प्लीज सिट
Please sit, please sit. No, no, you should have patience to listen what we want to. So what is the problem? We have time and we have time.
Okay, just
No, please listen. We will have an open house tomorrow. You guys are all invited, all the other students are also invited. We will discuss all these issues.
why not now?
Yes. We'll have open house. Can you send all the documents of spending, expenditure of lab? How can we have an open house without inform if you are not sending how you are spending money? Yes. Exactly. What way we
very
can
well
question
point.
you?
Yes.
We are asking documents of our money, how you spend, so that we can question you.
We will
That
discuss
is basic.
anything you want
So,
tomorrow.
First read our spending
document, you need time.
You cannot make arbitrary demands.
No, there is no arbitrary demand. It's a transparency, sir. It's not an arbitrary demand.
You can ask whatever you want, but don't yell and ask for it.
I'm not
Ask
yelling.
it. Please. Have some respect.
And also, you,
Yes, have some respect.
yeah.
Okay? We are going to have an open house. Whatever issues you have, please ask us politely. We will answer politely.
But politely I'm asking, please send all the information of money spending so that we get to know how you are spending money and so that we can able to question, raise or suggest something. Or else, how can open house be happen?
You are suggesting open house. Please provide some data.
Some data.
And we are here today to submit this data.
And how is this arbitrary demand, sir?
Please submit it.
We have 3 copies. मुझे लगता है सब लोग खड़े हो जाओ.
This is from we got more than 1,000 students. Take a picture.
मैं बना दूं वीडियो आप चलो ऊपर से
So we want the open house offline. Please don't keep it on. Offline.
Find out how many are coming. If it is single, 350 keep that limit because otherwise you have to go to formal and then it is
So can you please give a tentative time?
tomorrow, but don't then demand you have all the accounting details.
Take your time.
And extend till then extend the
Please extend the fee payment deadline. That is our
And so we are very confident that IIT faculty will stand by us. They have always stood by us. IIT faculty, whenever there was a 2009 protest, they stood by you. Even in 17, you guys stood by us. And I am confident, we all are confident that faculties will understand the problems of the students. So we are from the same country. We are from the same community. You have one student.
We have not gotten a promotion by 3 years. This is like many students are
Fully understand all the problems. We cannot see them without looking at the expenditure. We have this increase. There are reasons for it.
गवर्नमेंट से पैसा
We are not please also look at what is the IT Madras charging, IT charging.
We wanted expenditure. You should not compare it IIT Madras or IIT.
2 घंटा भाषण के लिए
IIT Madras बहुत अच्छा है. Why is that we have to get
You are saying you put on board during COVID. Now you are increasing the Pura subject.
We haven't got the scholarship hike also. Now, how will we support? We are also not all are
If we are spending so much time and paying.
I can't go if you feel like it. कहाँ पे जाऊँ? I'm not able to understand. You want? It's okay. Camera blow. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
One point. Institute has multiple sources of funding. You get money from the government, from private entities, research fund, consultancy, everything. We only get fellowship. You can try to expand income from other sources. We can't. We are completely like pushed to a corner. We don't have any other, and we can't ask anyone else. You are the only.
Sir, can you at least say all this at open house?
And sir, IT bomb has been tagged as Institute of Eminence. So there are funders.
there is an Institute of Eminence
If we compare with other IITs, they has not been tagged with
Can you at
Institute
least
of
confirm
Eminence.
right now that the last date for fee payment is extended?
And there are other institutes like Institute of Kanpur and all these where the fee hike has not been approved.
So this dialogue will take some time. It is not a one-day affair. You also know, sir, right? So let's keep our communication channels open.
Fee committee is there.
Does that committee have student representation?
We need to
communicate with them also.
They are represented.
Does that
Student
committee?
representative even did not knew that fee hike has been happened, sir. Did not knew that basic thing. They did not knew that our
said they are not even
representative.
consulted.
They are not even
They is
consulted.
disrespecting their position, sir. That they were not involved when the decisions were taken. This is disrespecting the PGC.
Will they be there in the meeting also, sir?
Sorry
Why
to
is it
say,
respecting
can I
the
say this
position,
as a
sir?
decision of a fee hike if our representatives are not consulted as an arbitrary?
Sir, one more thing.
This is a financial issue. It's not a democracy.
Somebody is getting paid, somebody is paying.
Yes, but then if that person is not allowed to represent, where is the democracy? Taken into confidence when deciding.
The democracy is you have your representatives.
You are not.
But then it might not have no power at all.
They can represent.
But they are not consulted, sir.
They are not even consulted.
How are you respecting their representative rights when they are not consulted? And how do we think it's a democracy when we are asking a basic document? No. We understand it's not documents. We are asking a transparency. It's not from your private account. You are spending money. No, you are spending a government money.
We can also have new representatives. That is
If
the
you don't
problem.
want to discuss this further today, we will do it as open.
Just give us a copy in that case.
Please, and please, sir, send the documents. We want document of how you spend.
And also the
before open house.
And we can't pay this much fee. Please roll it back.
So when can we expect? At what time can we expect the open
How
house?
much of stipend is going into paying for
Documents, please send.
Before the open house, please send the documents.
Before open house, please circulate.
And sir, also the student fee hike committee that was there to hike the fee and should be also there in the
open house.
It's not students committee who have approved notes.
No, I'm saying the committee which hiked the.
Board has actually approved this fee. This has been approved in 2020 February.
But how can you impose all
Our
of that?
fellowship has not been hiked. It was supposed to each year.
But why is that not student representatives are being not consulted?
If this is the bureaucratic process, there should be a bureaucratic process to increase our stipends also, sir.
Yeah, and if
Why not stipend increase, sir? Right?
Please discuss it in open house.
director will join open house. Will the director come? The director will join.
Director is coming in the open house.
Will the director come?
Yeah.
That part is clear. We recognize that with inflation, your stipend is going up. Our expenses are also going up. That is reality. Your gas cylinder price goes up. Government has to do it. If the government doesn't do it,
But also our
we will land up like Sri Lanka.
Yes, sir.
We do not want IIT to become the next Sri Lanka.
Yes, we agree.
But I'm sure that you don't want student fee.
Please don't compare that with it.
Today, you are all participating in the growth story of IT.
Yes, sir.
Do not be agitated by just, we are not stealing your money. You are asking for accounts, all the.
We just need transparency, sir. This is not like asking.
And we are saying
Documents, they are asking basic things.
Sir, above all, we also want to do research peacefully. if we have to worry how do we feed my family, then how can we do research, sir? This is the basic thing, sir.
We cannot pay this amount of money. This is unjustified completely. And if you see the amount of money that I'm supposed to pay.
Just ask him.
More than 1,000
So
students
कब हो रहा है open house कब हो रहा है?
कल हो रहा है
First the document.
Who are coming in the open house? Just ask me
First the
that.
document we want.
When there is an open house, if our scholarship is not high, how can we support a pay hike? Even if the
Copy of that.
And agreed to have an open house. The structure.
So who
And
are
you are
coming in
agreed
the
to
open
send
house?
the documents.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you so much. You are
डायरेक्टर ज्वाइन करेंगे
So who all will be present in the open house if you can confirm?
How can expenditure?